Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Avalanche cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your crypto holdings or just explore new platforms, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Robinhood, and that you have some Avalanche, AVAX, tokens in your Crypto.com wallet. It's also crucial to double-check that Robinhood supports Avalanche deposits. By 2025, this should be straightforward, but always verify on their app. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app and log in to your account. Head over to the Wallets section and select your Avalanche balance. You'll see an option to withdraw or send. Tap that to get started. Step 2. Choose the Avalanche network. In 2025, you'll likely use the Avalanche C-chain for this transfer, as it's the most common and secure option. Enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Step 3. Now, switch to your Robinhood app. Go to the crypto section and find your Avalanche wallet address. Copy this address carefully. Double-check for any typos, as they can lead to lost funds. Step 4. Back in Crypto.com, paste the Robinhood wallet address into the withdrawal field. Review the details, including fees and estimated arrival time, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification once it's sent. Finally, keep an eye on your Robinhood account for the deposit to appear. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. If you run into issues, contact support from either platform. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Avalanche from Crypto.com to Robinhood in 2025. This process keeps your assets secure and helps you manage your portfolio like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.